we do it from the bottom. Pulling away from the wing seat then. No way. Crack the top. Yeah, it's just these square edges are going to put it bastard. Probably already off most of the weight. Yep. Just down some. You'll see orange. You'll see more orange, that's going to be a good sign. Let it stay in there.
It's coming off on both sides. It's coming off on.
Give us another chisel.
Coming off on that side.
Well, you're holding the pressure on it. Yeah, it's half out of this first.
Oh, look at fish eyes.
Just slow down.
Didn't pull any paint.
Just see one little spot.
An air bubble.
Yep. That's just where it's gone through. Sleeve's gone between them. Oh, this side's out, the front's out. Just let the wing seat a little. Right, I'm going to stick my fingers up in there. Be gentle. Just the arse. Just in there. Between there and there.
Oh, come on, battery. Get out.
Give it back a tap. Go. I'll go to see.
Oh. Ooh, that is hot.
I don't know any more than that. Right against it. It's that knuckle, isn't it? Mm. Put it in my loader in front, mate. Don't put your freaking fingers in there.
Needs more paint.
Stiff?
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah.
The nose is clean.
That's stiff enough. Shit, yeah.
Ooh, buggers.
Yeah, that you need.
Hold the nose. Oh, shit, yeah. What's wrong with that?
Oops. Look.
Just bring your fingers in there. Sweet one.
See you later.
There you go.
Oh,
Good luck with that in one place, I'm telling you now. It's a wax bag.
No. Never stuck it in the wing like that.